All right, y'all. We just got a package. It's the box kind of broke and fell when I picked it up, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway, as if it was a normal unboxing video. So, your girl getting bougie. She has her some gardening tools. We got the hoe, shovel, little trowels. And as you can see, they're pink. I'm not really a pink girly, but I'm trying to step into my softer side by buying more pink things. So, yeah. Here you go. We got a little... I don't know what this tool is. I'm not going to lie. But we got a lot of different tools. We got some pruning shears, y'all. I don't know what this little board thing is. And we got a little belt. So, y'all going to watch me put it all together. And we're gonna go with that. I don't have any space out here with all these plants to sit my stuff down. But let me move this. I'll move this. Yeah. I'm kind of upset with these seed starting things. I'm just gonna start putting my stuff straight into the dirt because I'm having trouble with. Ah! I may be a gardener, but I'm still scared of bugs. That bug was hiding under my my seed starter. So eventually I'm gonna get clothes that I only wear gardening, and I'm gonna get me some like boots to garden in eventually. But baby steps, because Rome wasn't built in a day, you know. Sorry, I just gotta check my plants every time I'm out here, even if it's multiple times. These bugs be trying to get me. Oh, I thought this was a tool belt, but it's actually a little bag. So I think that's cute. It's a little bag too. And this, I'm not sure what this is for. Y'all. But this is the inside of the bag. I thought I got a belt, but it's a bag. I'm just gonna put it in the bag. I assume it's to separate the bag. I don't know. That's what it's gonna be used for. Y'all, I'm just gonna come back when I finish putting it on. So this is the bag. I think it's cute. Cute to carry around. Convenient. So yeah.